Which car do you drive?
I drive a sedan.
What does he listen to?
He listens to music.
Where do they study?
They study at the library.
How does he work?
He works hard.
Why does she like the beach?
She likes the beach because it's relaxing.
When do you go to the gym?
I go in the morning.
What do you cook for dinner?
I cook pasta.
Where does she live?
She lives in the city.
How do you clean the house?
I clean it on weekends.
When does he play video games?
He plays after school.
Which subject do you like?
I like math.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Where do you exercise?
I exercise at the gym.
How does he learn new words?
He learns by reading books.
Why does she smile?
She smiles because she is happy.
When do you watch movies?
I watch movies on weekends.
What do you bring to the picnic?
I bring sandwiches.
Where does he go on vacation?
He goes to the beach.
How do they prepare for exams?
They study every day.
When do you clean your room?
I clean my room on Saturdays.
Which ice cream flavor do you like?
I like chocolate.
What does she watch on TV?
She watches dramas.
Where do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at home.
How do you pay for your groceries?
I pay with a credit card.
Why does he sleep early?
He sleeps early to wake up refreshed.
When do they play music?
They play music in the evening.
What do you do for fun?
I play video games.
Where does she walk her dog?
She walks her dog in the park.
How does he fix his bike?
He fixes it with tools.
When do you do your homework?
I do my homework after school.
Which game do you play?
I play soccer.
What does he drink in the morning?
He drinks tea.
Where do you buy your clothes?
I buy them at the mall.
How does she plan her day?
She writes a to-do list.
Why do they eat healthy food?
They eat healthy to stay fit.
When does she visit her grandmother?
She visits her on Sundays.
What do you wear to work?
I wear a suit.
Where do they go for lunch?
They go to a restaurant.
How do you contact your friends?
I contact them by phone.
When do you check your email?
I check it in the morning.
Which city do you want to visit?
I want to visit Tokyo.
What does she do on Sundays?
She relaxes at home.
Where do you go after work?
I go to the gym.
How does he drive?
He drives carefully.
Why do you read books?
I read to learn new things.
When does he leave for work?
He leaves at 8 a.m.
What do they do in the evening?
They watch TV.
Where does she keep her keys?
She keeps them in her bag.
How do you stay healthy?
I exercise and eat well.
When do you go to the supermarket?
I go on Saturdays.
Which fruit do you like?
I like apples.
What does he do after school?
He plays basketball.
Where do you buy your coffee?
I buy it at the cafe.
How does she take her coffee?
She takes it with milk and sugar.
Why do you like your job?
I like it because it's interesting.
When do you visit your friends?
I visit them on weekends.
What do you do in the morning?
I go for a walk.
Where does he study English?
He studies at a language school.
How do you get to school?
I walk to school.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Which subject does she like?
She likes history.
Was there traffic while coming?
No, just a little traffic.
Did your brother not come with you?
No, he had a lot of homework.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What did you do there?
I walked and played with my friends.
Who went with you?
My brother went with me.
What time did you leave home?
I left home at 4 p.m.
Did you enjoy your time at the park?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
What did your brother do at the park?
He played football with his friends.
How long did you stay at the park?
I stayed there for 2 hours.
What did you eat at the park?
I ate some snacks.
Where did you buy the snacks?
I bought them from a small shop near the park.
How much did you spend on snacks?
I spent $10.
Did you meet anyone new at the park?
Yes, I met a new friend there.
What was your new friend's name?
His name was John.
Did John play with you?
Yes, he joined us for a game.
What game did you play with John?
We played hide and seek.
Who won the game?
John won the game.
What did you do after playing?
I sat and talked with my friends.
What did you talk about?
We talked about our school and hobbies.
Did you take any pictures at the park?
Yes, I took a few pictures.
Who was in the pictures?
My brother and my friends were in the pictures.
What did you do after leaving the park?
I went back home.
How did you feel after the day?
I felt very happy and relaxed.
Did your parents ask about your day?
Yes, they asked me everything.
What did you tell them?
I told them about the games and my new friend.
Did your parents like the pictures?
Yes, they liked the pictures a lot.
What did your mother say about the park?
She said it looked beautiful.
Did you show the pictures to anyone else?
Yes, I showed them to my cousin.
What did your cousin say?
He said he wanted to visit the park too.
Did you promise to take him there?
Yes, I promised to take him next week.
Did you feel tired after the day?
Yes, I felt a little tired.
What did you do to relax?
I listened to music.
What song did you listen to?
I listened to a soft, relaxing song.
Did you watch TV after that?
Yes, I watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
I watched a funny comedy movie.
Did you laugh a lot during the movie?
Yes, I laughed a lot.
Who is your favorite character in the movie?
The main actor was my favorite.
What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 10 p.m.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
What dream did you have?
I dreamed about playing in the park again.
Did you tell anyone about your dream?
Yes, I told my brother.
What did he say about your dream?
He laughed and said it was funny.
Did you wake up early the next day?
Yes, I woke up early.
What did you do after waking up?
I made my bed and brushed my teeth.
Did you feel fresh in the morning?
Yes, I felt very fresh.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and eggs for breakfast.
Did you talk to your parents during breakfast?
Yes, we talked about the park again.
What plan did you make for the weekend?
We planned to visit the park together.
Did everyone agree to the plan?
Yes, everyone liked the idea.
Did you call your cousin to invite him?
Yes, I called him to invite him.
What did he say about the plan?
He said he was excited to join us.
How did you feel about the plan?
I felt very happy and excited.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the market.
Who went with you to the market?
My mother went with me.
Why did you go to the market?
We needed to buy vegetables and fruits.
What time did you reach the market?
We reached there at 9 a.m.
Was the market crowded?
Yes, it was very crowded.
What did you buy first?
We bought fresh tomatoes first.
How many tomatoes did you buy?
We bought 1 kilogram of tomatoes.
Where did you go after buying tomatoes?
We went to the fruit stall.
What fruits did you buy?
We bought apples, bananas, and oranges.
How much did the fruits cost?
They cost $20.
Did you bargain with the seller?
Yes, my mother bargained with him.
Did the seller reduce the price?
Yes, he gave us a small discount.
What did you do next?
We went to buy some spices.
How did the spice shop smell?
It smelled very strong and spicy.
Did you buy any flowers?
Yes, we bought some roses.
What color were the roses?
The roses were red and pink.
Did you thank the flower seller?
Yes, I thanked him politely.
What did you buy from the bakery?
We bought bread and cookies.
How did the cookies taste?
The cookies were sweet and delicious.
Did you eat the cookies immediately?
Yes, I ate one cookie at the bakery.
Did you meet anyone at the market?
Yes, I met my old school friend.
What did you talk about with your friend?
We talked about our school days.
How long did you talk with your friend?
We talked for about 10 minutes.
Did your friend buy anything?
Yes, she bought some vegetables.
What did you do after meeting your friend?
We went to buy some milk.
Where did you buy the milk from?
We bought it from a small dairy shop.
Did you carry your shopping bags?
Yes, I carried 2 bags.
Were the bags heavy?
Yes, they were very heavy.